What are you doing, Destin? Changing the alternator?
Yeah.
So what do I do next?
The Barbie?
What are you going to do next?
I can do the Barbie.
Do you need a screwdriver?
No.
What are you using now? What type of tool is that?
A stir?
Is that a ratchet? Destin, is that a ratchet?
Yeah.
Say yes.
Yes.
Keep turning it. Don't stop.
And stop.
Not yet. Good job. You're almost done. Keep going. Take that alternator off.
I'm done.
You're finished?
Yeah.
Thank you. Good job.
I got it.
Alright. So how old are you now?
I
Destin?
got it, Papa.
How old are you? 2?
Yeah, it's the flummy time.
Are you the 2-year-old mechanic?
Yeah. Yeah.
You gonna show Daddy how to fix cars?
Daddy!
Yes.
I fixed the car.
What?
I fixed the car.
Oh yeah.
I fixed the
Look
car.
at him.
All right.
He's actually taking that nut off with that ratchet.
Sorry. You helping?
I'm serious, he is.
No, I see. Good job.
Alright! You got it!
Yeah.
Hey!
Good job.
Not yet.
Not yet?
Yeah.
Good job.
Gone.
Here, look at me.
It's okay.
Look
we'll
at me,
find
Dustin.
Ma,
Look. Say, I'm a mechanic.
I'm a candy.
Okay, bye. I love you.
Bye.